Students, good evening, good morning, good afternoon. My name is Prasanna. My channel name is Prasanna Made Chemistry Easy. Okay, we will discuss today about the electronic configuration. In the chemistry, this is the basic topic to write the electronic configuration of the different elements. Okay, this is the starting basic concept. It is useful for the 10th class. Either it is the CBSC, ICSC and state syllabus and plus one also students. Plus one also it is useful. Okay, this is the basic concept to how to write the electronic. This is the basic concept how to write the electronic configuration of the different elements. Now we will start the electronic configuration. First to write the electronic configuration, we should write the Euler diagram. Euler diagram, see 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d. First you write in the straight line, 1s, 2s, 2p. Next 3s, 3p, 3d. 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f. 5s, 5p, 5d, 5f. Next 6s, 6p, 6d. Next 7s, 7p, 8s. As it is in the straight line you write it. Next you write it in the like this. You slant lines you draw it. Okay, this is the Euler diagram. Okay, 1s, 2s, 2p. These are I said no. 1s. S contains the maximum number of electrons. S contains maximum number of electrons in S 2. How many electrons? In S is the 2 and in the P is 6 electrons and D contains the 10 electrons. F contains 14 electrons. These are the maximum electrons. See students, how this duster contains maximum capacity. How many markers it can hold? 2. Like that, S subshell contains maximum 2 electrons and P contains the 6 electrons and the D contains 10 electrons and F contains 14 electrons. This is the maximum capacity to hold electrons in S, P, D, F orbitals. Okay, next we go. This is the maximum number of electrons in S, P and D, F. Now see electrons will enter. So everyone will show this diagram. And electrons will enter from the back side onwards. They will say from the back side onwards like this. And again it go from the back side. Again this will enter into the back side. Again this will enter into the like this. Like this configuration will be. Again it will enter into this side. Again these electrons will enter into this side. In that way electrons will enter. What is the reason why electrons should enter in that way only? It should follow the Aufbau's principle. Aufbau rule. Okay, what is that? Aufbau rule. Aufbau rule is n plus L value we have to take it. N plus L value. Which has least n plus L value, in that shell, in that orbital or in that sub energy level, the electrons will enter. Okay, in that only electrons will enter. N plus L value, least number where we should get. From that side onwards only electrons will go. Okay, now you see 1s n plus L value. What is the n plus n value of 1s? 1s is there, no. 1 is the 1, you have to take it as a n value, principal quantum number, and S you take it as a L value. It's a azimuthal quantum number. S is the azimuthal quantum number and this principal quantum number, what is that? N. Now what is n plus L value? N is the 1. N is the 1. 1. S value what is? See ma. S 0 P SP. P value what is? 1. And D, that is the, what is that? 2. Like that numbers will be. So 1s means 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0. What value will get? What value will get? 1. So electrons will enter into the first 1s. Next 2s. Next 2p. Next 3s. Next 3d. Okay. 3s next 3p. 3s next what is? 3p. 3s next 3p. See. 1s. Next 2s. Next 2p. Next 3s. Next 3p. Next 3d. 3d next what is? Sorry. 3p next what is? 3p next 4s. Sorry. 3p next what is? 4s. 4s next what is? 3d. 4s next 3d. 3d next 4p. 3d next 4p. 4p after 5s. 5s. See, you observe here 1s, 2s, 2p. Next 3s, 3p. 3s, 3p. We are not writing 3d. We are not writing 3d. We are writing 4s. 3p next what you will think? 3p after what you will think? 3p next 3d maybe will come. But it's wrong. What will come? 3p next 4s. 4s next 3d. 3d next 4p. 4p after 5s. 5s after what will come? 4d will come. 5s after what will come? 4d. What is the reason means? These are following the Aufbau's principle. Aufbau's principle. You compare in these two. Compare in these two which has the least energy. In the 4s and 3d. Which has least energy? You compare it. Which has the least energy? 4s. 4s. You see 4s. 4 plus s. S means what I said? 0. That is equal to 4 value you will get. Next come to the 3d. 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 N value what? 3. Plus d means what I said? S is 0. P 1. D is the 2. So 3 plus 2. How much you will get? 5. How much you will get? 5. This is the 4 and this is the 5. What is 4s? You will get the 4 value. But 3d you will get the 5. So what I said in the starting, electrons will follow the Aufbau's principle also. Aufbau principle what it said? Which has the least n plus L value. In that only electrons will enter first. Which has the least n plus n value. In that only electrons will enter I said. So 4s contains the 4 value. 3d contains the 5. So which is the least one? 4s is the least one. So that after 3p, electrons will enter into the 4s, not 3d, not 3d. Actually students, what you will think? 3p, 3d, like that you will think. But it is the wrong. 3p next what it comes? 4s. 4s next what it come? 3d. 3d next what it come? 4p. 4p next what it come? 5s. 5s next again 4d. You compare it. Based on the n plus L value, electrons will enter into that. Based on the n plus L value. N is the main principal quantum number. S is the, this S value is there, no, that indicates the L, azimuthal quantum number. That is the 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. It starts with the 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, what is azimuthal quantum number? Principal quantum number starts with the 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay, in that way electrons will enter. In that way electrons will enter. Okay, up to here clear? See, this one you have to note down. This is the very important. You will get the doubt here why the electrons will enter into the 3p next 4s, not 3d. That doubt clarification is this one. Okay, based on the Aufbau's principle, electrons will enter into the 3p after 4s, next to 3d. Okay, okay. Next go to the, next write the electronic configuration. Electronic configuration means arrangement of electrons in the different orbitals or different energy levels. Arrangement of electrons in the different energy levels. See, electronic configuration, in the word itself it is there. Electronic configuration means that configuration we are arranging based on the electrons. How many electrons we can consider? What is the atomic number? That is equal to the number of electrons. Okay, that is equal to number of the protons in the elements. For example, hydrogen. To write the electronic configuration, you have to know the atomic number. Students, you have to know the atomic number. Okay, hydrogen atomic number 1. It contains only 1 electron. So, what I said, S maximum, how many electrons I said? 2 electrons. P maximum, how many I said? 6 electrons. D, how many I said? 10 electrons. F, how many I said? Maximum 14 electrons. Hydrogen 1. Hydrogen contains the 1 electron. So, what is Molar diagram showing? 1s. So, hydrogen atomic number is 1. It contains the 1 electron. 1s1. See, up what we are writing? 1s1. For example, N L X. You see here, NLX. N indicates that principal quantum number. L indicates that azimuthal quantum number. X indicates the number of electrons. What is? X indicates the number of electrons. Okay, now you see hydrogen atomic number what? 1. Hydrogen atomic number 1. So its configuration is electronic configuration is 1s. How many electrons are there? 1 only. So 1s1. Come to the carbon. Carbon is a very important one. Carbon is a very important atom. All this carbon only organic chemistry chapter is there, no? So carbon is very important element. Carbon atomic number is 6. So it contains 6 electrons. So electrons first enter into the 1s. Can we write here 6 electrons as it is? No, it's wrong. What is the reason? S contains maximum 2 electrons only. So what we have to write? 1s2. Okay, 2 electrons are completed. What is next? 1s next what is? 2s. 2s. S also maximum how many? 2 only. Maximum 2. So 2 plus 2, 4 are completed. Remaining how many are there? 2 are there. 2s next what is? 2p. How many we need? 2 plus 2, 4. We need 2 more electrons. So 2. Okay. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. This is the electronic configuration of carbon. Okay. Can we go to another element? What is that element? You say calcium. Calcium atomic number is 20. That means it contains the 20 electrons. 1s, how many? 2. Next 2s, how many? 2. Next what is? 2p. Maximum how many? P subshell how many? 6. So 6 we can write. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 6, 10 completed. 2p next what is? 3s. How many? 2. 3s next what is there? 3p. How many we can write? 6. Count it. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 are completed. Next what is there? 3p next to 3d na 4s. 4s. How many? 2. Now you check it ma. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. Yes. Calcium atomic number 20. Electronic configuration is this one. Okay. Next I'll write zinc. What is that? Zinc atomic number is 30. See, 1s2. Next 2s2. Next what is there? 2p, 6. Next what is there? 3s2. Next what is there? 3p, 6. What is next? 4s2. Now how many? 20 are completed. 4s2. 4s next what is? 4p na? No. You come from back side onwards. I said based on the n plus l value. 4s next what is? 3D. 3D. D maximum how many? 10. You check it now. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 6 18, 18 plus 2 20, 20 plus 10 30. Yes, this is the configuration of zinc. This is the configuration of zinc. In that way, you can write up to 118 elements. Whatever elements are there in the periodic table, those all the elements configuration we can write. But some exceptions are there. Some exceptions are there. What are that? Chromium and copper. Which elements contains exceptional? Chromium and copper. You listen carefully from here onwards. Only these two has the exceptional. What is the exception? Why we should write in that way only? Those also I will explain, students. Listen carefully. This is the very important, and 10th class state board who are going to write, they will get the 5 marks question from this configuration. Or based on the Mylar diagram, they will write a 2 marks question they will ask. +1 students also, they need to write the ions. How the ions will get means they need this basic concept of electronic configuration. Chromium. Chromium atomic number what is? 24. Chromium atomic number is 24. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Next 3s2. Next 3p6. Next 4s2. What is next? 3d. Count it. 24. Okay. This is the configuration. Generally you will write. I said no starting how to write. So based on that you will write general configuration. This is. But it is the wrong. It is the wrong. In this state, chromium will be unstable. Chromium will be unstable. See students, each and every element trying to get the stability. To get the octet configuration. To get the octet configuration. Octa means what? 8 electrons in the outermost shell. Or it should be a half filled. It should be a half filled or completely filled. Configuration should be half filled. What is that? Half filled. I will write it here. Half filled. Half filled. See, half filled or completely filled. Half filled or completely filled configuration should be. See, this is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d, 4 is there. 3d, 4 is there. D maximum how many? 10 electrons I said. D maximum how many? 10 electrons. 10 exactly half how much? D. D orbital half I need. Half. How many? 5 electrons no. 5 electrons. Okay, if it contains the 5 electrons, then it will be the stable. Either the completely filled or half filled. Now you see here 3d4 is there. It won't be stable in that configuration. So what will comes? This from the 4s here 2 are there no. From this 1 electron will comes to here. 1 electron will comes to here. 1 electron will comes to here. Now what is the electronic configuration of that chromium? Will come to here no. Now what will comes? 4s1 and 3d5. It changes as a 4s1 and what is that? 4s1 and 3d5. 3d5. Now you see 5 is the half filled, exactly half filled. So it will be the stable. Now I will write the correct configuration of chromium. I will write the correct configuration of chromium. See, chromium 24, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Next what is? 4s1, 3d5. 4s1, 3d5. This is the correct electronic configuration of the chromium. This is the correct electronic configuration of chromium. Because in the D shell, 5 electrons should be half filled. Try to get the stability now. Half filled means D contains the 5. Okay. So this is the chromium. This is the exceptional case. Exceptional case in the electronic configuration. Chromium next. Copper also same in that way only. Same. Okay. Chromium and next copper. Copper you see. Copper atomic number what is? Copper symbol is Cu. It contains the Latin name as a cuprum. So copper is symbol is Cu. Atomic number is 29. Atomic number is 29. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Next 4s2, 3d. How much? 29 no. 3D 9 will be. 3D 9. See here 9 is there, so it won't be stable. So one electron will comes to here. One electron will comes to here. Now what it becomes? 4s1 and 3d 10. Now it's a completely filled node. D means completely filled with the 10 electrons. So it will be the stable. Now write the actual configuration. Exact correct configuration of copper. Correct configuration of copper. That is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 4s1, so 3d10. This is the correct configuration of the copper. Copper and chromium contains the exceptional electronic configuration remaining as it is. You follow based on the Euler diagram. Students, hope you understand electronic configuration. Please subscribe my channel. Bye.